Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys I have shared with you crochet poncho designs. It's so amazing and gorgeous videos. We are more attractive designs. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends for more attractive design. It's so perfectly designs for everyone and the different amazing videos and different amazing designs. So I hope you found this video and you get many more amazing designs, amazing videos and amazing designs, different amazing ideas. You get many more amazing videos and hope everyone like much amazing design. This video is so perfectly designed for everyone like much amazing poncho designs for winter season. It's the best collection for girls, women and every different girls like more amazing videos, amazing and gorgeous है आप लोगों के साथ जो poncho designs शेयर किए जाते हैं काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव और एलिगेंस डिज़ाइंस में हैं एंड डिफरेंट टॉप ब्लाउजेस डिज़ाइंस क्रोचेट के एंड डिफरेंट अमेजिंग डिज़ाइंस हैंडबैग्स के एंड डिफरेंट क्रिसमस डेकोर डिज़ाइंस एंड डिफरेंट वैरायटीज़ वगैरह शेयर की जाती हैं. Hope everyone like much amazing videos. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends daily. Inshallah, wish you how you like our videos. And if you want any videos related to any pattern, you get many more amazing videos and different amazing designs. So perfectly designed, it's so amazing. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends daily. Inshallah, wish you how you like our videos. If you want any videos related to any pattern, so friend, this video it's so beautiful design. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegant and gorgeous videos and different amazing gorgeous ideas. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends daily. Inshallah, be sure how you like our videos and the more attractive elegant videos and different pattern available in my channel. So let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your home in evidence, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Amin. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bismillah.